Now, I know when you hear collagen, your first thought might be beauty creams or those fancy powders influencers mix into their smoothies. But collagen isn't just about smoother skin or fewer wrinkles. It's literally the glue that holds your body together. Your joints, your tendons, your nerves, they all depend on collagen to stay strong and flexible. And when your body doesn't make enough of it anymore, that's when the tingling, stiffness, and weakness sneak in. The good news? You don't need expensive supplements or crazy diets to fix it. You just need the right foods. And believe it or not, some of them are downright delicious. Let's talk about a few collagen-rich snacks that can help bring strength back to your legs, ease that tingling in your hands, and make you feel a little more like yourself again. First up, dark chocolate. Yeah, I said it. Chocolate can actually be good for you, but not the sugary candy bar kind. I'm talking about the real deal, dark chocolate with at least 80% cacao. It's loaded with compounds called flavonols and antioxidants that help your body repair itself. One of the coolest things about dark chocolate is that it actually helps your body protect and produce collagen. So it's not just a treat, it's a tiny act of self-care. Melt a little dark chocolate, toss in some roasted almonds and dried goji berries, and you've got yourself a chewy, crunchy bite that feels like dessert, but secretly helps your joints and nerves heal. Then there's gelatin. You know, that wobbly stuff from childhood desserts. Turns out gelatin is basically collagen that's already broken down, making it easy for your body to absorb. You can make simple fruit gelatin bites at home with cherry or pomegranate juice, some plain gelatin, and a few fresh berries for vitamin C. Vitamin C is key because your body can't make collagen without it. These little bites taste like a sweet treat, but they work hard behind the scenes, easing joint stiffness and helping you move more freely. Next up, bone broth. I know it sounds simple, maybe even old-fashioned, but this one's powerful. When you slowly simmer chicken bones for hours, the collagen in the bones turns into gelatin, the same stuff your joints and cartilage love. It's like giving your body a warm, soothing repair drink. Even half a cup a day can make a real difference. You can sip it plain, or mix in a bit of lemon juice and herbs for extra flavor. Think of it as comfort food that actually comforts your body. Now, let's brighten things up with something a little more refreshing. Cantaloupe with mint and lime. This snack is bursting with vitamin C, which your body uses to make collagen. And the hydration from the melon helps your joints move more smoothly. Toss in some chopped pistachios or walnuts, and you've got a bowl that's light, energizing, and secretly powerful for your bones and nerves. Speaking of simple, let's not overlook tomatoes. Most people think of them as just another salad ingredient, but they're full of lycopene and vitamin C, a combination that both builds and protects collagen. Slice up some ripe tomatoes, layer them with mozzarella or avocado, drizzle a little olive oil on top, and sprinkle some basil. It's easy, it's fresh, and it's literally rebuilding your tissues from the inside out. If want something tropical and fun, guava should be on your list. One small guava has more vitamin C than most oranges, and that's huge for collagen production. Mix some chopped guava into Greek yogurt, add a drizzle of honey, and top it with a few almonds. What you get is a creamy, tangy, protein-packed bowl that tastes like dessert but supports your joints, skin, and nerves all at once. Another one that's easy to love, kiwi. Just 2 or 3 a day can seriously boost your collagen levels. Slice them up, toss on some toasted nuts, maybe a sprinkle of chili flakes if you like a little heat. It helps with circulation, nerve function, and gives your hands and legs that "I can move again" feeling you've been missing. And finally, pineapple. This fruit has something special called bromelain, an enzyme that fights inflammation. When you pair it with the vitamin C it naturally has, you've got a 1-2 punch against pain and stiffness. Mix pineapple chunks with macadamia nuts or cashews, and you get a sweet tropical crunch that helps calm your joints and restore strength. Add a little cinnamon if you want an extra anti-inflammatory boost. Here's what's amazing. All of these snacks are simple. You don't have to overhaul your diet or take weird powders that cost a fortune. Just adding a couple of these collagen-rich bites into your daily routine can make a huge difference. Over time, you'll notice your hands feel less tingly, your legs feel steadier, and even your skin might start to look a little healthier. Look, aging is natural. We can't stop it, but we can definitely make it easier on our bodies. Collagen isn't just about looking young, it's about staying strong, keeping your joints flexible, and feeling confident in how you move every day. Whether it's a little bowl of fruit gelatin, a warm cup of broth, or a few pieces of dark chocolate, every bite is a small investment in your body's future. If this video gave you a few ideas you'd like to try, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you want more simple, science-backed ways to feel better and age stronger, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Because every week, I break down real research in ways that actually make sense for everyday life. No hype, no nonsense, just real results you can feel. Thanks so much for watching, and here's to stronger legs, steadier hands, and a happier, healthier you.